Emerobelio yobwagachi bwegetigie chindege egia Suneka nigo irachake limoliuka inse yomutienyo yomo oyuli mutukuru bono aya nkolengana n'omunyakirogo o Kenya Airports Authority KAA omusike Caleb Kostany kagukwana imeyegetie kyo litukulia lero Kostany nigo aene kebuna egetie kyo nigo keraire angechi milioni chimisatu eliokoera ase baba bagukwanira igoro yobwagachi ubwo ase nsemo yaye umugavana bwe county ya Kisii omusike Paul Arati niga bagakoenekia na goteba buna nigo emerobeliyo erachigo chaka limolioka asabaga kubolia abamenye bechinsemechu anene abasuneka okubwaterana na gusira omurobeliyo goika oikiro mwelio.
This works is going to cost slightly over 300 million to do the airstrip to good aviation standards. And with the few challenges that we have identified, we are going to work very closely with His Excellency Governor Arati in order for us to have collaboration between the national government and the county government on how we can fast track and make this airstrip much more viable in terms of accommodating bigger aircrafts. We shall do what it is required as it is, and then work slowly on how to expand it, to make it bigger, to make the runway longer so that it can accommodate the bigger aircrafts. Otherwise, this work should start within the next 5 weeks. We should have a contractor in place ready to start the works.
He has promised that in another 2-3 weeks, they will have started the issues of procurement. Hopefully that we want to ask them before the president comes, that by the time the president comes here, he comes with the contract. Honorable Mbati has just indicated that always these things happen nearer to elections. We don't want this one to be a weapon of election. It's a weapon of development and the business. Therefore, we are looking forward to really to ask KAA, as you have promised, good brothers. I was with him in Parliament. You guys, let us fulfill it. I know that the president, yes, has done some good work. He has what he promised. Some of the roads that he promised in the county at that time were here. They have actually been procured. There are those ones which are on a design stage, as it were. Therefore, looking forward that this one will be able to be finished. I'm told now they are not going to do category 1 planes landing here. They want to see if we can have category 2. Therefore, we want to urge our people, be patient. Let us see what the government can be able to do within that one and two, around 5 months, as the chairman has just indicated.